You can never go wrong with any of the Anker headphones, and this Q20i, an updated model of the Live Q20, is not an exception. In this video, I'll be doing a quick unboxing review of this Anker Soundcore Q20i Bluetooth headphones. So let's dive into it. Inside the box, we have the Soundcore Quick Start Guide, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a 3.5mm aux cable, and then the Q20i headphones. Right out of the box, the first thing to notice is how lightweight these headphones are, and this is because of the fact that the headphones are mostly made of plastic. The ear cups are well padded with breathable mesh, and so is the pad that rests on the head, which makes the Q20i super comfortable to use for extended periods of time. And the ear cups can also be rotated. The hinges are made of metal, which can be extended for extra length for larger head size. The controls are located on the right ear cup. We have a 3.5mm input, the volume up and down buttons, the noise cancellation button, and a power button that also serves as a play button. This headset has voice notifications for battery level, noise cancelling mode, power on and off, and then Bluetooth connected, disconnected. The Bluetooth connection is simple and easy, and the Q20i allows dual device connectivity, so you can connect up to 2 devices at the same time and seamlessly switch between them. The sound quality of the Q20i is super amazing, and the bass is surprisingly pretty good and deep thanks to its 40mm driver and a high-res feature. The noise cancellation is phenomenal and above average for budget headphones. These headphones have 3 different ambient sound modes: the normal mode, the noise cancellation mode, and the transparency mode. And with the help of the Soundcore app, you can easily switch up your audio by customizing the EQ. The Q20i also has inbuilt microphones that enhances voice pickup and clarity when you are on calls. The battery life of the Soundcore Q20i is excellent. You get 40 hours with ANC enabled and then 60 hours with ANC off. It also super fast charges too. What I like most about this Q20i is that not only are the headphones budget friendly, they also give you 100% value for money. On the downside, the sound quality when these headphones are on wired mode is kind of muffled, so do take note of this if you intend to use the aux feature. Overall, the Anker Soundcore Q20i is a pretty good pair of headphones suitable for those looking for budget noise cancellation headphones with good sound quality and are comfortable to wear. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.